Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to fix nearby people not showing on Telegram. First of all, you can open the general home settings. After opening the settings, you can just simply scroll down here, scroll down, tap on privacy and security, and now tap on location services and make sure the location service is enabled. And after enabling the location services, you can go to the Telegram. After going to the Telegram, you can see your nearby people showing on your Telegram. If doesn't show, you can just simply do the few things. You can go to the App Store or Play Store and update it the latest version of Telegram. And after updating, you can just simply restart your device, and after this the issue is solved. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.